Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sannappa. Okay, so this video we are going to discuss about PLC with inputs and outputs. Okay, so we know PLC, programmable logic controller, some amount of timers, some amount of comparators, some amount of counters, some amount of other logic, some amount of clocks. Okay, so this all combined with a single component is called PLC, programmable logic controller. Okay, by programming this PLC with these inputs and outputs, we can control and monitor the big process plant or any other industry automatically. Okay, so basically for working this PLC, we need to connect inputs and outputs for this PLC. Okay, so there are two types of inputs and outputs used for this PLC. One is digital inputs outputs and another is analog inputs outputs. Okay, so what is this digital input outputs and what is analog inputs outputs, we will see in this video quickly. For better understanding digital inputs and analog inputs outputs, we will make a scenario. Okay, so with this scenario we will I can explain you exactly what is digital inputs and what is analog inputs outputs. Okay, so now we will see a simple logic. Okay, there is a process plant where there is a pump is delivering a water to a pipeline. It's supposed to maintain some bar pressure in the pipeline. The pump is running with a VFD. Okay, so the entry system is connected with a small PLC. Okay, so this PLC is connected with a input from one start stop switch and one contactor is connected with the output of this PLC. Okay, the contactor which is energizing this main power to the pump. Okay, and one more input is connected from pressure transducer on the pipeline. Okay, and one more output is connected from PLC to VFD. Okay, now we will see digital input and analog inputs outputs. Okay, see, once this system is started, by pressing this switch the input will come to the PLC. Okay, start. Okay, so this input is either it will give command to PLC start or stop. It is binary type. This type of input is called digital input. It's like binary. It's start or stop. Okay, once this input received, the PLC will enable a output. Okay, so that output will decide the VFD should on or off. Okay, so this kind of output is called digital output. Okay, so digital input and digital output means it's binary type, do or don't do, yes or no. Okay, but here on this pipeline there is a pressure transducer is connected. Okay, this pressure transducer is giving a input to a PLC. Okay, so this pressure transducer is sensing the pressure and it is converting to a signal. Okay, that signal is connected to the PLC. So this signal will give a type the type of input is analog input. Okay, there is a pressure but how much. Okay, so this type of input is analog input. Digital input is yes or no, but analog input is yes but how much. Okay, so this is the difference between digital and analog. Okay, and also one more output is connected to VFD. Okay, the VFD is started by digital output. Okay, but VFD should run in the percentage of speed. VFD should run, but how much percentage of speed. Okay, so that is controlled by the analog output. Okay, so analog input is pressure is available but how much is pressure. Okay, analog output is VFD should run but how much percentage. Okay, so this is the difference between digital input and analog input, digital output and analog output. Okay, so this digital output could be any voltage. Commonly this PLC is working with 24 volt DC. Okay, but some small PLC is working with 230 as per the PLC manufacturer. Okay, digital output also could be 24 volt DC or volt free contact. Through this volt free contact you can connect your available voltage. Okay, but this analog input could be 0 to 10 volt or 0 to 20 milliampere. Okay, example, this pressure transducer is sensing 0 to 10 bar means it will be converted to 0 to 10 volt. That 0 bar means 0 volt, 10 bar means 10 volt. Okay, that means if there is a pressure variation, this will be the same pressure is converted to the voltage unit. Okay, the same thing, analog output will be 0 to 10 volt or 0 to 20 milliampere. Okay, the same case when this PLC is giving input to the VFD as a 0 to 10 volt or 0 to 20 milliampere, the VFD will convert 0 to 100% speed. Okay, if PLC is giving 10 volt means VFD will run in full percentage means 100% speed. Okay, if it is giving 5 volt, then it will run in 55 means 50%. Okay, so this is the difference between digital inputs and the analog inputs outputs in the PLC. So I hope you understand whatever I explained. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for my channels to get more videos. Okay, so I will meet you in next video with a different subject. Till then, bye from Senaparajan.